Okay, good morning. So we are on our way for a 3 days and 2 nights road trip to Surigao del Sur. And this is a family trip. So after a long time of planning is ma-pursue na din kami. So wala kaming book na hotel. So magsistay kami sa mga house na aming relatives. So, namin karon sa Laak. So, from Tagum, we took the route in Laak. Hindi kami nagbuntag Mongkayo because we want to avoid the inspection kasi masyadong mahigpit daw sa Mongkayo. Dito kami sa place ng aming ante. Ay, dito pa lang bahay nila Ate Kotek. So, magbe-breakfast muna kami here. Tatuling. Asa tato?
Sa Kawakawa.
Kawakawa! So, humanami og breakfast. So, padulog namin sa first stop in Kawakawa. So, among mga kamusar Surigao is via mga gawin ni mga Lapit sila.
Welcome to Kawakawa.
Okay, so nalamig kami sa Kawakawa sa Awog. Siya yan. So nagabayad pa og entrance fee. Yan, so the entrance fee is 50 pesos. Tapos may mga tables and chairs daw no, worth 200 up to 1,000. Yan, so pwede nang walang booking dito, walk-in lang. So diri na ang dead end sa Kawakawa.
Hi.
Cinematic.
Maligo mo.
Oh, that's the Awog. Kawakawa sa Awog. Yan, so before reaching the Kawa is naapay pila ka steps. Kawakawa na ni. So, bawde kitawag siya Kawakawa kay daghan siya mga holes sa ubos. So nagulan, so wala tayo doon siya. Yeah, great. This is my second time sa Tinayan. Like, maulan kasi since last night. Kaya medyo malakas yung alon ng tubig. na ang Tinoyan. Maproceed kami sa Hinatuan, which is the Sibadan Fish Cage. Wala, it's a lake over the lake. We're in Bislig. Bislig na. Photo op sa Bislig signage. We're in the Bislig City. Cinematic. Oh. So after this is sa Sibadan na tayo, fish cage. And then, meron kaming na-book na resort somewhere in Bacolinda sa Hinatuan. So wala kami na-reserve. Wala kaming dinaw na payment. So ngayon lang kami nagtawag. At saka parang magsisilbing walk-in na din kami ngayon. So 2.5 yun, good for 50 packs. Yeah. Kami sa Sibadan Fish Cage. We're here in Sibadan Fish Cage Resort. So wala na yung ulan. Hopefully naka-drone shot na ta.
A few inches later.
So pakyas ang Sibadan di ay is tabukon tak. So Sibadan di ay is tabukon pa siya. Yan. So nadriya ang port. Tapos sa atbang ani nga lugar is napod ang Rock Island. So murag dili na mi mosulod sa dili na mi matong Fish Cage Resort kay medyo risky ang boat ride. Yan. Kasi medyo hindi kagandahan ang panahon. So we will now proceed to Bacolin, in which saan kami magsistay overnight. Pero kung ma-person mo sa Sibadan Fish Cage Resort, 150 daw yung boat ride. Excluded pa yung entrance. So nilikay mi og Sibadan kay mo tabok. So among resort nga tuan is tabukon po. Tura oh. Ana siya nga resort. Yan. Mao ni ang struggle. So tulo ka bangka 1.5 round trip. Abandon ship. Ara.
Bye na.
Bye. Maupo na muna. Tablas. The resort. So yung kada cottage niyan is may iba-iba yung mga owner. Okay, so we just have arrived here in the resort. So this will be our night in which we will be staying. So yung resort is nasa gitna siya ng karagatan, sa parang sandbar. Tapos mayroong mga cottages in the middle of the sandbar. Medyo na bad trip lang ako kasi nahulog yung aking bag sa dagat. So all of my dress are wet. Ito yung 2.5. May kasamang cottage sa baba. And may dalawang rooms actually. So one room is 2.5 and the other room is another 2.5. So 5K lahat-lahat. Pero half lang yung kinuha namin. So 2.5 ito siya. 15 daw ang magkasya. So na-estimate namin ang 15 kung paano pagkakasyahin.
Day 2.
Good morning, Ali. Rise and shine. Day 2. So it's raining again. So I'm afraid we cannot fly our drone. My God. Pangalawang araw na. So the Little Maldives in Surigao del Sur is located at Barangay Bacolin. So yung daanan niya is the way going to Enchanted River. Tapos sa dulo pa siya ng walang hanggan. Makikita mo yung Barangay Bacolin. So 3 kilometers pa siya from Cebadan Fish Cave. Pag during low tide, this part is sandbar siya. This time is high tide. So kaya wala tayong makikitang sandbar. Ayan! Struggle, ulan. Tapos magbangka pa. It's raining very hard. Oh my God. Nagkahapon pa yung nagsigulan. Hi! Bye-bye! Yan. So we are now here at Bugak Cold Spring. This cold spring is located at the heart of Barobo. So, the entrance fee is 25 pesos lang. Mura. Yan. So after namin sa Barubo, sa Buga Cold Spring, ising hapit mi sa mo anti sa Kagwait. Then karon is ang direction mi all the way up to Cortez to visit the Las Witan. The entrance is 65 pesos. Tapos masakay pa og shuttle padulong sa Las Witan mismo. That 65 pesos is inclusion, ang inclusion niya daan is merong free shuttle service. That's because the Las Witan is 300 meters pa from the starting point dito sa kanilang entrance. Yan. That's the shuttle service. Oh, Davao, Davao! So, naipipila ka steps, paubos. Yan, so meron tayong little steps pababa sa Las Witan. Diyos ko Lord. last weekend is visit kami sa bahay ng aming auntie dito sa Barangay Tigao, Cortez. So, please, oh! Kasama! Munting bahay. So, end of day 2, balik kami sa Kagwait. Dito ni matulog sa among auntie. Paktas-paktas sa kadalanan. Kagwait Municipal Hall. Naadri lang tourist information assistance center. No booking, no reservation, no entry but seats. Meron tayong relatives here sa this is the part of the Kagwait ng maraming resorts. From this part and this aisle, yan. Ang daming mga resorts na nakapila. And somewhere far over there is the space bar. Nandito na ang space bar. Yeah. Oh, this is the space bar ng tao. The entrance fee is 20 pesos. Pero yung pool fee is 100. 50 for adults. This is the space bar at night. Dito yung cottages nila. Ang daming tao. This is the beach. Yun, may nag-propose. And it's day 3. Day 3 of our Surigao trip. So this will be our last day. Tsaka magkagwait White Beach kami. So today may dapat nagstay sa balay sa kong aunt. And this street is going to the White Beach. Kagwait White Beach. In which maraming mga resorts din along the shoreline of the Kagwait White Beach. Including na doon yung space bar. And we'll visit a space bar again. Last night nantahan namin yun. But we will be seeing this space bar during daytime. And let's take us George shot in the Kagwait White Beach. So when you enter Kagwait White Beach, there will be a 20 pesos environmental fee na babayaran. Tapos separate pa yung entrance fee sa mga resorts. So dito yung environmental fee. This is the resort. Ang kipot ng daan. Wow! This is it. This is the resort where we are staying. The name of the resort is Tarazonas. Ayan. So the entire resort, pwede siyang ma-rent exclusively for 10K. Tapos kasali na ang 6 rooms na yan. Ang alive ng feels here. Yeah. So this is the post-pandemic era. That's the space bar. Yeah, so ang space bar DI is hindi yung pool sa space bar hindi kasali sa room na kinuha ninyo. So, magbabayad ka pa rin ng 150 pesos. Mag-fix na kami and going home to Tagum City for a 4 to 5 hour road trip. We are currently in Bunawan na and we are now going home, and that ends our trip to Surigao del Sur. So in regards with the requirements upon entering, actually wala namang inspection yung ganap. So kami papunta na Surigao del Sur is doon kami via Laak ng kasi tatahan namin yung aming auntie na nakatira on that place. And then pabalik ng Tagum is via San Franz na kami. Yan, so most of our destinations sa Surigao walang booking, walk-in lahat, even our first night na room sa resort. We are almost at Tagum City. Yeah. So yung itinerary namin, hindi na namin pinuntahan yung mga spots na napuntahan na namin, like Enchanted River and Britannia group of islands. So that's the end of our trip in Surigao del Sur. So that's the end of our vlog. Please do not forget to like and subscribe into my channel, and see you again on our next travel trip. Bye!